Hi guys, my name is Emma and my name is Ella. We'll be teaching you the alphabet and the alphabet sounds. I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, frog. G is for go. H is for house, house. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jet, jet. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for rainbow, rainbow. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for wind, wind. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yes, yes. Z is for zebra, zebra. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.